Now, find a comfortable place to sit. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale peace, exhale pressure. You've been through a tough stretch. Maybe the trades didn't go your way. Maybe your confidence wavered. But here, in this breath, you begin again. Bring awareness to how you feel right now. There may be frustration, fatigue, maybe even shame. Don't push it away. Just notice it. Each emotion is valid, a reflection of your effort and care. You're human. You care deeply. That's why it hurts. Take a slow breath in and exhale, releasing judgment. Whisper softly, I allow myself to feel. Loss is part of mastery. I accept what is. The more you allow emotion to move, the less power it has over you. Separating identity from outcome. Now imagine standing before a mirror. You see yourself as a traitor, tired, perhaps disappointed. But behind that image stands your true self, the learner, the builder, the resilient human being. You are not your P&L. You are not your last trade. You are the steady observer behind it all. With each inhale, that reflection becomes clearer. With each exhale, the pain of identification fades. Whisper quietly, my worth is not defined by results. My strength lies in persistence. I am growing through experience. Feel the separation between performance and identity. You're stepping out of the storm, back into yourself, releasing the drawdown energy. Now visualize the chart of your recent drawdown, a line dipping downward, each loss another step lower. See it without judgment. Now imagine rainfall washing over that chart. Slowly, the downward slope softens, the colors fade, and what remains is clean space, blank, new, ready. You whisper softly, the past is washed away. I begin again, clear and focused. Every reset is an opportunity. You can feel the tension dissolve. You're not trying to fix the past, you're allowing renewal. Bring your attention to your heart. Inside, imagine a small ember, faint but warm. This is your confidence. Even after losses, it never truly goes out. With every inhale, that ember glows brighter. With every exhale, it expands, filling your chest with quiet strength. Confidence doesn't roar, it hums, it whispers. It says, I know who I am. I know I'll rise again. Whisper softly. My confidence returns with patience. My edge is built through repetition. My calm is my greatest advantage. You can feel self-trust rebuilding with every breath. Seeing the bigger picture. Now zoom out in your mind's eye. Your entire trading journey laid out before you like a mountain range. Each win, each loss, each drawdown, part of the same climb. The valleys give meaning to the peaks. Without them, there's no growth, no story, no strength. Breathe in acceptance, exhale gratitude. Whisper quietly. I honor my journey. Every setback shapes my skill. I climb with patience and humility. The bigger picture always redeems the short-term pain. Be returning to flow. Now imagine yourself sitting at your desk again. But this time, there's no heaviness, only clarity. You open your journal. You review your plan. You prepare your watch list with calm focus. You're not chasing recovery. You're returning to rhythm. I rebuild with structure. My discipline restores my edge. Flow returns through patience. You feel yourself sinking again. Your breath, your body, your process. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. You've walked through the pain and come out lighter, clearer, and grounded. I release the past. I rebuild with strength. I move forward with peace. When you're ready, open your eyes. The market hasn't changed, but you have. You're calmer, you're wiser, you're resilient. And from here forward, you rise again, steady, strong, unshaken.